Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage web and app activity on Google account in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to manage your web and app activity in your Google account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your Google account. And here, just click on your profile photo or your Google account over here. Just click on manage your Google account. And here you will see the option of data and privacy. Just click on this option. Just scroll down and you will see the option of web and app activity. Select this option, and from here you can easily manage your web and app activity. If you want to turn it off, so you can select this turn off option, and here you have two options. So if you want to only turn off, just select this option, or if you want to turn off and delete your activity, so you can select the second options here. So let's say I'm going to select the second option and just wait for the loading, then click on next, then next, and here just click on delete. So it will completely delete your web and app activity and also turn off it. So if you want to turn it on again, just click on turn on option here and just click on turn on. So it will turn on your web and app activity again. So in this way, you can easily manage your web and app activity in your Google Chrome or on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.